all my subbies, welcome back, and to all my new subscribers, welcome to the family. Alright guys, so today is Monday and it's my errands and chores and thing day, guys. So it is now, I guess it must be about 7 o'clock by now, guys, because when I got up it was 1:45, a little before. Went downstairs, put my laundry into the machine. It's in there right now. And came upstairs, brushed my teeth, washed my face, and now I'm about to tackle the bathroom. But first, I want to now guys, I know you see in my background the TV there. This was a gift. We're not gonna conversate on that gift, but it was a gift. So the TV that I have here, I have in the living room for now, because my daughter confiscated the TV that I had in the living room because it's a smart TV as well. The TV I had in here was used with a Fire Stick, and that Fire Stick is time to change, guys, and your girl just don't feel like doing that. So until my daughter buy her own TV, she have that one in there for now and the small one out there for now. Nobody don't really be out there watching TV, guys. Really and truly, nobody don't be out there watching TV. So that small TV can stand right there until I feel like moving it, or until she gets she own. Right. So that being said, my phone also need charging, guys, because I sleep with it last night and I did not charge it. So it's at 50 something %, so that should give me a little recording time. So I want to tackle my bathroom. My daughter scrubbed it last week, but you know when the kids do the bathroom, it don't do the best, but it was clean. So let me turn the camera. Alright guys, so this is the bathroom. So it need a little bit more tender loving, care. So that's how the ground looking. Honestly, it clean, it ain't slipping on and so, but when she scrub the bathroom, they don't use it still like how I would use it, and so it's been a week since it scrubbed anyway, so it need another scrubbing. So I can tackle this now. This curtain was up more than 2 weeks, and the mat on the floor was up more than 2 weeks, so I can take them down as well and change them. The toilet there needs some loving, and the sink. Alright guys, so while I have the bathroom pre-soaking, I decide to come and tackle this bedroom to get this out the way. Then we'll go back and deal with the bathroom.
Trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite dream. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted mist. Twist in a fevered haze. The crowd is asleep, but I'm still alone, chasing whispers I'll never own. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze. Glow, glow, shadow glow. Falling deeper, I to just get by in life before we die. I only live a single time, no chances to revive. Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight. Only I can make up my mind.
It's all clean and tidy. Guys, there's nothing like a clean house here. Shh. It feels so much lighter and better. I have to move the basket from there. Here is Blackie, guys. Bathroom is all clean. And yes, we're using back that one. Guys, for the holidays, I have to buy at least 2 different sets of shower curtain and 2 different sheet set, guys, so that I can interchange. Because down at the old house, guys, you know that I had abundance of those, and when I was moving, I just decided not to bring the old ones and just throw away a lot. So yeah, and I really didn't want to be buying any sheets that is gonna cost me or anything that is gonna cost me too much money, so I always wait till the holiday time to buy. So as you can see, guys, look at the tiles now, guys, from the before. As you know, those stains don't come out, but look at here, guys, all the mud gone. In here it's still wet because my daughter not too long used the bathroom, but it's still clean. And also, guys, I dropped down the rod. Right here. I had it above here, and I find that the curtains was too short, and I was like, oh, this curtain short, I buy them too short, but then all the curtains was be basically the same length. So I realized that I had it too high, so I drop it down a little bit, and now it is at the right length, guys. Even the inner piece is at the right length, because that inner piece used to be on top, so when you bathe, everything used to get wet, and if the wind blew too hard, you know, it things. So everything now is, let me see from the inside, everything now is at good level, guys. I just gotta put back the garbage thing right in the corner there, but it's all clean. I have to clean the mirror there so as well. Blackie, they're waiting for Arisha to come out. And out here, guys, all clean. These 2 boxes, guys, as I told you, I got these 2 things as gifts. So since I got them, guys, I did put the box them here. I never home till when the garbage truck come to dump them, and I don't just want to carry them downstairs and have them there, and then they don't come, rain come, sunshine, and then the box get wet up and start melting away and have down their mess. So I prefer to wait until I'm home and the garbage truck come, then I throw them out. Or I might just carry them when I'm going out and let my friend carry them, and we just drop them in a skip. Because have skip over the place I could drop things like this in. So I might do that because I don't really be home when they come, and they normally come either between Thursdays or Fridays, and I don't be home those days. So I have them there still to throw out. And the living room is all clean. Guys, the only thing I have left to do is to sweep out here. Out here need a sweeping, so I can sweep it. But so far the veranda is good. All clean, guys, all clean. All clean. All clean, guys, all clean. I too love a clean house. Oh my goodness, I too love a clean house. All clean, guys, all clean. The kitchen didn't take me too much time because my daughter did already clean the stove and all of that, so it wasn't really much to think. These here, guys, is my dishes, so that is pack my food and so in. So what I want to do is make a little room in one of these cupboards for them and pack them in. My lunch bag is there, so only these for me to move. Guys, it is now after 10. I would like to go and shower now. I would like to go and shower now and then have something to eat. So this is actually gonna be my brunch time, because yeah. So yeah guys, so that is it for this cleaning video. So I will hope you guys are inspired, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.